All right, let's dive into something that's, well, pretty powerful and personal for a lot of us. We're talking about how tough times, especially early on in life, can actually forge some incredible, unique strengths. It's this fascinating idea of the resilient spirit.
We've all heard this saying before, right? The scars of the past shape the person of today. And it's true. It really is. There is absolutely no denying that hardship leaves its mark, sometimes deep, painful ones, and we have to start by acknowledging that reality.
But what if that's not the whole story? What if that's just chapter one? Here's the big question we're digging into today. What if those very scars are also the source of our absolute greatest strengths? And hey, this isn't just some feel-good idea. Experts are seriously digging into a different story here, a phenomenon they call post-traumatic growth. It's this mind-blowing concept that the act of getting through major challenges can actually build these remarkable new qualities in us. So let's explore the first one.
First up is something called radical empathy. And this is so much more than just feeling sorry for someone. We're talking about a deep, almost instinctual connection to what other people are going through.
So what is radical empathy really? Well, it's defined as this intuitive ability to get it, to share someone else's feelings. But here's the key. It's not born from a textbook or a lecture. It comes from your own lived experience with pain. It's something you feel in your gut, not just something you think about. And you can see the direct line here, can't you? The cause is having to navigate your own emotional struggles. And the effect? It's this deep, non-judgmental understanding of what it means to be human and to suffer. It's like when you've been in the trenches yourself, you just know. You don't just see someone's pain, you actually get it. Okay, let's move on to the second strength, which is fierce self-reliance. This is all about building an inner core that is just unshakable. It's a sense of self that can pretty much weather any storm that comes your way. Now, this kind of strength, it doesn't just pop up out of nowhere. It's forged over time. It often starts when you're forced to rely on yourself, maybe because you had to. And from there, you start learning all these essential skills on your own, practical stuff, emotional stuff, and what happens? You build this core of inner confidence that is rock solid, because you know you can handle things. You've already done it.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? The most powerful relationship you will ever have is the relationship with yourself. For people who've really built that fierce self-reliance, this isn't just a catchy phrase, it's how they live. Their own approval, their own validation becomes the one that matters most.
So, there we go. We're halfway through. 2 down, 2 to go. We've talked about empathy that comes from pain and a reliance that comes from necessity. So, as we keep going, just think, do you recognize any of this in yourself or maybe in people you know? All right, let's jump into the next 2 powerful qualities that can rise from the ashes. Okay, strength number 3. This one is a real superpower, creative problem solving. This is the ability to not just get by, but to actually thrive when everything is unpredictable and chaotic. So the key here is how this skill gets sharpened. It's this ability to see solutions that nobody else does, to pivot in an instant. And why? Because when you grow up in environments that are unstable, where you don't have a lot of resources, the standard by-the-book answers, they just don't work. You are forced to think way outside the box. You see the pattern here, right? The cause is having to deal with unpredictable systems, constant challenges. But the amazing effect is that all that chaos becomes a kind of secret training ground. It builds this incredible mental flexibility, this ingenuity. You literally learn how to make a way out of no way. And that brings us to our last one, and honestly, this might be the most profound of them all. Strength number 4, a redefined sense of purpose. This is all about finding deep meaning in the journey itself, not in spite of it. What's so incredible is that people who come through real adversity, they don't just get over it. They weave it into who they are. They often develop this powerful, intense drive to give back, to contribute, to find a deeper meaning. It's like they turn their past pain into pure fuel to create a better future, not just for them, but for everyone. Their why becomes crystal clear. So, we've walked through these 4 incredible strengths forged in the fire of adversity. Which brings us to the big takeaway. How do we actually start to see and harness this resilience inside ourselves? So let's just run them down one more time. The 4 strengths of this resilient spirit: radical empathy, that deep human connection; fierce self-reliance, that unshakable core; creative problem solving, the genius born from chaos; and finally, a redefined sense of purpose, turning pain into your mission.
And we're going to leave you with this final thought. The tough things you've been through, they don't have to be a life sentence. They don't get the final say. So the real question isn't just about what happened to you. The question is, how has it strengthened you?